Hey YouTube, it's me again. I would just like to share something with you guys. This is the result of my hairdryer breaking halfway through drying my hair. This side, nice and shiny. Dry. This side, fucking wet as a mop. Oh! I was very annoyed. Very, very annoyed. But I did dye my hair again. It's red and shitty in this light, but yeah, I had to dye it again because the blood was coming back through. So today, what I did, I went to the doctor's and discovered that I have a torn ligament in my right ankle. Oh, so I have to rest. Great, like that's possible with work. Oh my god. It's O'Brien's belt. Okay, so I also went and bought some baby clothes for my godson. He's so cute. And started my university scrapbook portfolio thing for job interviews. What this one is, this is my weddings and parties one. It's not finished, like I only just started it. So I'll show you what's inside. So far, got those, you see, have the sorting hat and wands and stuff, little favors. If anyone has seen the Half-Blood Prince Liquid Luck, get what I'm talking about. This side we have the floating candles, table settings, invitation in the form of a Marauders map. And this side is a concept drawing of Bill and Fleur's wedding. It's Harry Potter themed if you didn't notice. Because what I'm doing is doing like normal formal weddings and then themed ones such as Harry Potter or the Hunger Games or whatever, God forbid, I got no clue. Just whatever people want. Star Wars, The Hobbit, Lord of the Rings. Oh, my arm's getting sore. Yeah, that's pretty much my day. Didn't go to uni today because I didn't have it. But I do have a new roommate. Ugh. He's not here. He's only here 2 nights a week. Look at my room. It is still messy. Oh. But this is my roommate's room. It's so annoying. Look at my hair. Oh, the lighting's a bit better in here. You can kind of see it. A little kind of bit. There we go. See? Nice and shiny. Alright, let's see if this fucker works. No. Of course not. Piece of shit hairdryer. That's pretty much my day. It's so exciting, I know, guys. I'm always at the fridge in my videos. Does anyone notice that? It's because I'm hungry all the time. It doesn't go away. Anyway, so the next week or so, my roommate and I will be doing the Tim Tam challenge. Well, there's 2 versions that we're going to do. We're going to do the taste test challenge and the other one, so the second one, that states that you cannot eat 3 Tim Tams in under 60 seconds. So we're going to prove them wrong. So, yeah. So until next time, YouTube, bye.